Hello everyone, Paxman. Hindi kayo iwan kay masasarapan. And today's vlog, yes, 24 hours na tayong gising. Hoy, gising sa mga bagong gising. Mabuti pa kayo. Ako, gising pa rin. Gising na po ako ng for than 24 hours. I'm here in BGC. So, kanina, 22nd floor. Tapos lumipat tayo ng ibang floor. So, we're now in the penthouse. Yung kanina, yung clinic ko, well, maraming pag-ibig kasi facing Philippines Stock Exchange. Ngayon, wala nang glass. So, wala nang mga bintana. So, hindi ko alam anong weather outside. So, actually guys, nakatulog ko sandali dito. Actually, I had one patient na he has to rest for 1 hour and then bigyan ko ng clearance na he can stay for another 2 hours because I need to observe his health, especially na natutulog siya, nagsusnore. So, nakakatakot yan, sleep apnea. Especially medyo malaki siya na tao. Wow, nagsalita ang taong mas malaki. Ano nangyari sa table cat? Ito yung computer. So, dito ini-email ko sa mga TL regarding about if ever meron silang clinic rest, send to ER or send to home. Pero si patient kanina, di na siya need sent to home because manageable. Sad to say lang, he's younger than me pero meron na siyang maintenance ng high blood or hypertension. Ako, my gosh, kaya nga I have to be careful with my food intake because my parents are both high blood. So yun guys. And of course, kape. Kape kasi dito is unlimited, especially BPOs. So far, yung kanilang lunch is not only, lunch kasi paggabi, it's not only for us, staff, employees, but they're also giving free for their agents, of course, yung bumubuhay ng BPOs are the agents. So, ayun, libre silang pagkain. That's good. So, we'll be posting videos, pictures sa kanilang pantry. I love the pantry. Lahat ng mga companies namin dito, ang gaganda ng mga pantry. So, post ko, pabunggahay ng mga pantries. Yung mga pantries na nagiging happiness. Marami ding sadness kasi maraming mga drama, may mga kontrabida, mga bida, charot. Ang late ko ng aking lalagyan ng aking mga medications. And of course, kasi malamig, you look at me, I'm wearing jacket na makapal. Hindi singkapal ang aking mukha. So, of course, marami dyang nalalamigan kasi pagkatapos nilang nasarapan, eto sa mga hihirapan huminga kasi wala na siya. Charot! May Advil para sa mga masakit yung ulo. Kasi hindi siya nagkagusto. Charot! Actually guys, what's good thing about working in the BPO and company nurses in here in Manila is maraming booking. Kaya maraming loving. Loving! Yes, I love myself. Love yourself first before loving others. Gumawa ng tama. Huwag pumasok ng droga. Pero marami akong drugs. This is for medications para sa mga patients namin. So, for all people out there who is in the US, if you're using an insurance, so this is the meaning of ISIS. ISIS, the Insurance Support Service International Corporation, so which is located here in BGC, na hindi ka magsisisi, just like me, gising pa rin, kahit ayaw niya ako maging ka-feeling. Charot! Bye, friends!